Good morning, guys. Today is day one of being a momtrepreneur. Being a mompreneur, I'm about to show y'all like my day-to-day life, like what I do for my business, what I do for my child. So right now it's 10:27. She's back here, minding her business, eating her fruit snacks. I'm about to drop her off at daycare and then get my day started. So yeah, I'm back in the house. Y'all can't see, but maybe I shouldn't stand on my couch. That'll be crazy. But back in the house, got my little sweatband on. I'm about to do the Chloe Ting workout. I'm on day 3. It has been it's not challenging. I mean, it is challenging. I can just tell y'all one thing, I am not in shape. And I learned that this week. So yeah, day 3, I'm glad that I'm staying consistent with it because it's kind of like helping me with 2 things, because I really have a bad problem with staying consistent with stuff. So I'm showing consistency, and I'm about to get my dream body yada yada.
Give me something new, I want it back, through and through.
Out of the shower, back in the living room. I need to clean up my house. So this stuff all on the floor, like I really need to clean up. So that's what I'm about to do. Finally. But it's so hot in here. So I'm about to open up this door because Lord. Get some fresh air. I should clean off my balcony too. Dang, y'all. I guess I'm kind of late, but I'm not kind of late. So, boom. I guess I'm kind of late, but I'm not kind of late, but I am kind of late. So, look. I don't know why I'm talking like that. So, I ended up finished cleaning up all that stuff, and then my package had came for my lashes. So, I had ordered some new lashes because I had my lash vendor that I got now. I like them and all, but I just feel like the lash don't really be giving me like, posh vibes. You know what I mean? So I went ahead and ordered some new lashes, and I got some new styles, and I decided to try some on. And this is one of them. I actually like these lashes. They're cute. They're real cute or whatever. So yeah, I think I don't know if I want to add them to the site yet or how I want to do it. So I've been trying to test them out because I usually, because I still got maybe like 5 or 6 lashes from like my other vendor. I like to test out my lashes before I sell them. So I usually order a pair of each style for me to, try on myself so I can see how I like it and if I would wear it and so on and so forth. So far, I do like these lashes that I do have on. So I am going to add these to the site. I need to figure out a name for them, because right now they don't have any name and they kind of look like this. I'm gonna show y'all all the styles. So maybe I should take this wrapper off because these are the lashes that I'm gonna wear on myself. So this is a pair. The ones that I have on are similar to this, but they're not like, they don't look exactly like this, but this is one of them. The ones that I have on right now are exactly like this, but except for their shorter parts, I think are a little bit shorter than on this style. So this is one, and I think I'm gonna like these. I think I'm gonna really like these. And so that's one style. These are 25 mm. These are big Miss Mamas, for the Miss Mamas out there that want to get a real, cracking and shellacking. This is 25 mm pure. They're cute. I'm gonna give these to my cousin and let her try those out, because I don't know, I haven't really been into like the big dramatic lashes. I'm more so into like, this is probably like the longest that I'll do, and these are considered with my vendor 3D. They are kind of long. They might be 25 mm's because they are kind of long, but they're considered 3D from my vendor. And then these two that I just showed, so that pair and this pair is considered 25 mm's. So if you like long lashes, then you're gonna like these, because they big and long. You know how I like it. So that's them. Oh, let me not mix them up. And then I ordered this style right here for all my natural short. You know, I like them thin on the natural side but wispy. I got these, but I don't know how much I'm gonna like these because they kind of look like they're gonna look skimp. I don't know. For me, when I wear lashes, even if they're like natural lashes, I like for you to be able to see my lashes on camera. So if you can't see my lashes on camera, then I don't want them. I just feel like they're too skimp. Even if they're like supposed to be a natural look, like I still need to be able to see that I have on lashes. So I don't know if I'm gonna like these, but that's one of them. I don't even know why I'm taking them out the thing, because y'all can clearly see them. And then this is another pair. Well, I guess I do need to take it out the thing for you to actually see, because it got a little glare on it. So yeah, I don't know if that helped. And that's another one. So these are some new styles that I'm testing out. Let me know if you guys like any of the styles. If so, just do like 1, 2, 3, or 4. How many did I show y'all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, just be like, I like number 1, I like number 2, I like number 3, number 4, number 5. Hopefully y'all like all of them, and I can put them all in them. I took some pictures today. I forgot to come back on here and make the list of what I was supposed to do, but I took some pictures today. Supposed to be going out to dinner with my mom and my stepdad, because today's his birthday. So we're about to go out to dinner around 7 o'clock. But yeah, I cleaned up my house. I folded up my laundry, as y'all can see in the other clip. And then I unpackaged my lashes. I should have did that on camera. Next time I'm gonna do it on camera. Unpackaged my lashes. I'm doing a Chloe Ting workout. I don't know if y'all can tell a difference, but baby, the stomach is about to be sneak. So we made it to the dinner.
Hell no, I'm just saying she doesn't want you to stand up.
I'm always standing at the front door.
He straight said no.
Oh, I'm here, she knows.
It's okay. Oh, did you come on up? You have a birthday in the house together, so I'll give you my hand. Thumbs up. Talking it. I'm looking for you again. Oh, you're laughing. Happy birthday.
Good morning, guys. I am currently driving. I just dropped Zaya off with her grandma. So the weekend is officially starting. Yeah. I need to do 2 things this morning. I need to go get an oil change. I need to go get my nails done, because I got an event to go to tonight. So we's back. We're back, honey. We're back in business. Yes, got my nails done. Okay. Let me start acting like that. But I gotta go to the mall, and I don't know how to get there. So I gotta use my motherfucking GPS. Yes, I don't know how to use the motherfucking mall. And yes, I'm about to be pointing at y'all the whole vlog, the rest of the vlog. Cause yes, it's lit. We got our nails done. Can't nobody tell me shit, and it's just lit on me. All right. Okay. Where am I going to the mall? Y'all, so we had a detour. I know we were supposed to go get an oil change, but we at the tire shop. I need 2 back tires. When I got at the mall, I started driving, right? And I heard this noise in the back. It was like, and I'm like, what is that? It sound like my tire. Sound like it's my tire. So then I came to the tire shop and he's like, baby, you riding on the hope and the prayer. I said, change it now, please. Just change it. So now that's what I'm doing, getting my tire changed. Then I guess I can go get an oil change. So I had to come get an oil change and they changing my light. So I'm sitting in the little break room area or whatever, so they can hurry up and fix that. And what's up? You gotta look right here.
Oh, look
The
right
camera.
Oh, sorry.
I mean, you don't have to, but you know, it's only vlog etiquette. It's vlog etiquette. You gotta teach the vlog etiquette 101.
Well, what's Goodington? Brat.
Ooh, she's saying gang stuff. Ooh, are they open? Oh yeah, they open. You got your mask?
No. You got an extra one?
Guess I'll go in. It's on my breath. When you don't want to do something, don't bring your mask.
That's not true. See what happened was.
I'm glad I grabbed my ID.
Well, I got that. Always got that.
I know, but mine was on the table because when I did my taxes the other day, you know how they ask for your ID and stuff. No state issue ID.
Let me cash it. Let me cash it.
Let me do that. Let me do that. Let me check my account.
How much is the Martell?
It's $39. It's like a bottle of Hennessy. So if you want to get Hennessy, we can get Hennessy. But the Martell is smooth.
Okay.
It's super smooth. It's like 36
I still
or
want to
something.
I don't want to have a hangover. What is that?
Zaya's doggy. Well, not really her dog. We at the function getting lit, period. That's just what on what. Barry had a little lamb. So I made it to the grand opening. I really ain't checked in since about 6 o'clock. But we at the grand opening. It was a success. Everything sold out. You know, the food was bomb, amazing. The fish was good. The chicken was good. So now we at the party. We have a party. Here with my day one A1 and my little sister. She make wine glasses, so follow her. Just icy. And then yeah, we about to get lit. We about to turn up. I'll probably check in with y'all in the morning because I really know what's about to happen. Yeah.